Have you faced a location not working on Pokemon Go app? If your answer is yes, here's the advanced guide on how to solve this location error on Pokemon Go on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, try this quick setting. Slide down and check your phone location service is enabled or not. Otherwise, simply enable that. Solution 1. Enable the Pokemon Go app location permission. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Pokemon Go app. After that, tap on the location option. And now tap on Always option and check your issue whether it's solved or not. If still found the issue, then try our next solution. Solution 2. Try to reset location and privacy. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Location and Privacy. After that, enter your passcode and reset your location settings. Solution 3. Disable Screen Time. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Settings. Make sure to disable this. And now hopefully your location problem on Pokemon Go app should be solved. But if you still have any issues, then please write them in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.